How to fix Siri not available to connect to Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone device. To solve this issue, first of all, launch your settings on your device. From there, search for Siri and search option and tap on it. From here, go through the listen for and make sure that it is not turned off. Once you check that, go back to the settings page and hit on General. From here, hit on the transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset and select reset network settings. Now, here type your passcode and then reset all of your settings. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.